Hey guys, it's Brad, and I'm back out in the shop, back at the Z28. I'm finally done with those trailers, I think, probably for 5 or 10 years, we'll hope. And I really hope to get this Z28 down to the glass shop and get the windows in it here in the next week or two. We haven't had any snow yet here, and it'll be a good time. So I just wanted to show you what I'm up to there. You can see behind me. Okay, so I'm gonna spin around and just show you what I am. Okay, so I took the little polishing, well, not polishing, a little sanding pads, 2-inch one on the 90-degree air grinder there, and I got right down to it here and bared this right out to metal all the way around. There is a tiny bit of the original primer and maybe a little bit of paint around a couple of the posts for the trim there. If you can see what's going on here, you see the purple going on there all the way around. So I've taken and brushed on, well, what's going on there is I've got some corrosion yet left in the metal there. I've cleaned it right down. I've ground as much as I'm willing to grind. I don't want to take the material away, and all this purple area is not rust, but there are some pits, little pits up in here, so I just figured I'd kill the rust before we get any further. So what I'm using is this guy here. It says it destroys rust, seals and protects. So, you know, we'll see. Creates a tough primer-like coating. Yeah, it does. Real hard, like black coating on there. It goes from the purple, like, so the purple areas are all the areas where it's actually reacting with the metal, like with the corrosion. You can see on the bare metal there's really not much. I mean, a little bit of action, but so all these areas with the purple, there's just tiny little pits of corrosion there. Like I say, did as good a cleaning job as I could. I don't want to erode, like, take the metal away. You know, I mean, you can see that most of the window frame here is in really nice shape, but we did have some areas up there, and that caused some leakage. It caused rotted driver's floor pan. That could be T-roof issues. I've got new seals and everything to put in for the T-roofs and the doors, and I've got new door panels. I got the rear package tray is brand new sitting right there. I've got a brand new set of 6x9s and Nakamichi deck to go in there. The seats need a little bit of work. They're pretty good. But they need a little bit of work, so I'm going to be doing that. Well, I don't know that I'm going to be doing that, but we're getting there. If I could just get the windows in, that'll help a lot. That way it'll keep all the dirt out of the inside here. I'm not really willing to go much further in there until I can have the windows in. Well, I shouldn't anyway, because I can't. Yeah, I got to get the window defrost for the rear hooked up. Got to get the antenna and that for the front, and yeah. So I got glass. Both my windows are sitting here. Hopefully good to go. I think they're all cleaned up, if I remember correctly. And already, I'll just quickly show you the rear window jamb here. See what you can see there. So I did a similar, similar thing, stripped it all out, and then I repainted this rear part in the back there. Not sure what you want to call that. Anyway, back window, I had a couple little small areas down in here where I was starting to get leakage and that. So anyway, I've tidied it right down in the metal, began over. As you can see, it's just like pretty much like new. pretty much like new. So anyway, waiting to get the glass back in next. That'll be the next move. So we're gonna finish this weekend. I'll show you guys when I'm done, I guess, maybe, and yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, turn your notifications on. Okay, thanks everyone, appreciate y'all. Okay, bye for now.